Hi there, sixth graders. It's Mr. Kerr, and welcome to second semester here in World Area Studies for Western Hemisphere. And I'm welcoming a bunch of you back, but also we have some new faces with us this semester as well. So welcome to everyone, whether you're returning or just starting out with us. So we're excited to have you here. And so I'm gonna kind of go over things as if you have not been in class before. So those of you that have been in this class before for first semester, bear with us. There will be information that's valuable to everyone in here. So first of all, what I really want to make sure everyone knows, when you open up your World Area Studies Western Hemisphere class, you'll always start on the updates page, and that will give you the latest updates here and also down below. Very important there. It will have reminders and upcoming things over on the right side. But once you get your reminders, watch the weekly video and the suggested schedule, most of what we're actually going to be doing is over here in the materials folder. So in the materials folder, as you can see, and this is all looking at the first week. Every single week, every week there will be a welcome a welcome video and a weekly video and a suggested schedule. Every week that's going to change. Every week there's a new video. It's really important for everyone to watch that every single week. 90% of your questions are going to be answered by watching the video and going over the suggested schedule. I do want to make sure that everyone knows about the Start Here folder, and for those of you, and this covers everyone, if you have not done these first 4 assignments, the orientation discussion, the survey and syllabus quiz, the parent tour, and the netiquette assignment, those are the first 4 things. Right now, go and do those, and then come back and finish this. But those first 4 assignments are those are the first 4 things that you need to get done right away. Course and instructor info, contacting me is here, and then of course the syllabus, second semester syllabus. So this is a really important folder where to start. We'll be going into Unit 2 on our Week 1 right here. And then when we're done with Unit 2, we'll go down to Unit 3, of course. So those are the things you need to know as we move forward. Just the one other thing in the Start Here folder, you can always go back and watch the class intro video, and then this tips, tricks, and student resources. This will cover 99% of the questions you come up with. So before you reach out, please go through this, look for all the information you will find. So Unit 2, Week 1, as we get into this, and what I want you to do every week is start in the folder, and most weeks, not every week, but most weeks you are going to have a quiz, which will usually be at the bottom of the folder. Most weeks, I want you to actually start with the quiz. Take the quiz first, just as a pretest. I don't expect you to get 100% or anything like that. I just want you to get an idea what's coming up. Take the quiz as a pretest. Take notes. What are the important things coming up? Then use those notes as you go through the week. And then on Friday, you take the quiz again, and you get 100% because you know exactly what's on there and what's coming up and what's important. So that's what I want you to do with the quiz. The quiz this week, why don't you start out, do this diagnostic first. So you'll be starting up here with just a reminder in the beginning. Go through this. It has a video. Then your first assignment is this Unit 2 diagnostic. Again, this is a pre-assessment. I don't expect you to know everything about what the prompt is asking you. I'm just really looking for you kind of getting your ideas out there and things like that. So just go through, read the directions. That's your first assignment. Then this goes over some of the definitions that you need to know, so make sure you read through that very carefully. And let me also say this, as we're looking at this page, the pictures that you'll see are very specifically chosen. And so make sure that you're paying attention to all of the visuals in here, whether they're videos or still pictures. We have a discussion board, discussion boards, and we'll talk more about this, but this discussion board, so these are some questions to think about while you're watching the video. And then here's what I actually want you to do the discussion board. Do certain countries with a certain type of government have certain economic successes or failures? Do certain economic indicators have influence on the types of governments that countries have? Again, I don't expect you to know everything about this. We're just starting out this unit. So we're talking about economics and politics. So I don't expect you to know everything. Just kind of put down some ideas. We're looking for overall trends here and big ideas, not all sorts of little specific dates and names and things like that. And then, of course, you'll have the quiz as well. So just, again, generally, second semester, what we're doing. So first semester, we really looked at the history of the Western Hemisphere and cultures and early civilizations. Unit 2 and 3 this semester, economic successes and political change is Unit 2. And then Unit 3 will be getting into exploring geographic issues in the Western Hemisphere. Really make sure you're watch this video. This should be the first thing you do every Monday morning. Go through the suggested schedule. This is a very strongly suggested schedule. It's suggested. I suggest you follow it. Really. Make sure you're asking questions. If you can't find the answer in the Start Here folder, reach out to me and ask me the questions. We talked about the quiz, Friday, discussion boards, due dates. Generally what you're going to find is that I'll have all the due dates set for Friday. I try to encourage everyone to work Monday through Friday. On Friday, I changed the due date till Sunday, so generally you will have 7 full days until the following Sunday night to get things done. Just want to go back over asking for help. So yes, try and figure out any questions you might have. Read the directions, reread the directions, read the directions out loud. Go through the Start Here folder to answer questions. But when you are asking me questions, make sure that you're being as specific as possible. So for example, a lot of times I get a message or an email from a student saying, I don't understand this assignment. Okay, what don't you understand? So whenever you ask me a question like that about not understanding an assignment, what I want you to do is, number one, tell me what you do understand. Even if it's, I can read the title, but I don't understand anything after that. What do you understand about the assignment? Give me all the information you can, what you do understand, and then be very specific about what it is you don't understand. So that's important in asking questions so I can give you good feedback and answer your questions right away. All right, that's enough talking for me for this week. And again, let me know if you have any questions. Excited to get going this semester, and I'll talk to you soon. And also this Wednesday, the 16th, is first on-campus day for those of you that come on campus. All right, bye.